Oh, Joanne.
Yeah.
How are you? Long time.
Fine, thank you. Long time no see. How have you been doing?
I'm great. What about you?
I'm doing fine.
How's your family?
Doing great. Yours?
I'm doing great too. I didn't expect you to be passing by.
Huh. So did I.
Uh,
So what are you doing here all by yourself?
I was just relaxing after having a very good day. Then now I've seen you, my heart is pumping out. But I realize it's because I love you so much.
Oh, thank you.
You're most welcome.
Okay, let's have some chit chat.
Yes, we will. But I remember you still have some cows to feed over here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we can do that later.
Okay, no problem.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Joanne, I want to love you just as Christ loved the church. I want to love you like you were created to be loved. I want to spend the rest of my time taking care of you as you take care of me. So Joanne, how was your day?
It was amazing.
You enjoyed the visit?
Yeah, sure did.
How was the land?
It was beautiful.
And how was the farm?
Everything was so beautiful.
All right, I'm glad.
Yeah, thank you. So after all the beautiful things that you've done today,
Yeah.
what's next after this?
What comes next?
Yeah.
Guys, I want to welcome you all to our wedding that will take place on December 11th, 2021.
At Nairobi Calvary Temple, Buruburu. Time 10 a.m. Reception at 2 p.m. in the same venue. See you then, and come let us celebrate the goodness of the Lord together.
Karibuni sana nyinyi wote.